Okay, bring it up. Yep. See? That's why I want to go sideways. This way better.
Yeah.
Cắt cái đoạn đó nha. Fail.
Anh tự cắt kìa ba.
I told him to cut that.
You're not getting customer with that, man. You're gonna scare the customer away.
Like when you got it different.
That's why we gotta cut it out. This is
You're gonna throw it to me because that's where you put the four-wheeler. Sure? Yeah, it should be better. There, bring it.